Hi fellow subscribers, thank you for watching all our videos. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up.
What is a lae?
Forehead.
Okay. Where's your lae?
Forehead. Forehead.
What is a camel?
Eyebrows.
Yes. What is a camel?
Eyebrows.
Where is your ko'ahe?
Cheeks.
Where's your ko'ahe?
Cheeks.
Where is your kumukumu?
Chin.
Where's your kumukumu?
Chin.
Kofeho telinga? Where is your ihu?
No.
Where is your... What is a ngutu?
No.
What is a ngutu?
No.
Where is your mata?
Eyes.
Where's your mata?
Eyes.
Where is your longutu?
Lips.
Where's your longutu?
Lips.
Where is your nifo?
Teeth.
Where's your nifo?
Teeth.
Where is your elelo?
Tongue.
Where is your elelo?
Tongue.
Where is your fatafata?
Chest.
Where's your fatafata?
Chest.
Where is your kete?
Tummy.
Where's your kete?
Tummy.
Where is your pito?
Belly button.
Where's your pito tongo?
Belly button.
Where is your nima?
Hair. Oh, head.
Where's your nima?
Hands.
Where's your tui?
Knee.
Where's your tui?
Knee.
Where is your alanga?
Thighs.
Where's your alanga?
Thighs.
What is a lohivae?
Toes.
What is a lohivae?
Toes.
Okay. Where is your vae?
Feet.
Kofeho vae?
Feet. Foot.
What is a dua?
Back.
What is a dua?
Back.
Where's your low ulu?
Hair. Hair.
Where's your ulu?
Head.
Where's your ulu?
Head. Ulo umaduya. Head.
What is a... Okay, good boy. Where is your lohi nima?
Fingers.
Where's your lohi nima?
Fingers.
Where is your huma?
Shoulders.
Where's your
Shoulders.
What is a tui nima?
Elbow.
What is a tui nima?
Elbow.
Where is your kia?
Neck. 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 Daddy say thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.